If you create animated captions in DaVinci Resolve with Caption Cat, you can use these templates and customize them to your liking with your favorite fonts, colors, etc. But you don't want to do this with every new project. What you want to do is to just customize your template once and then save it in a Power Bin. That way you can access it easily in any future project and reuse the designs you like. So I start by dragging any Caption Cat template into the timeline, and then I go to the inspector to customize it however I want. In this case, I just change the background color of the highlight word to be green, but of course you can do any other changes here that you want. Now to save my customized template, I go to the menu of the media pool and make sure that the option Show Power Bins is enabled. This gives me this Power Bins section in the media pool where I can put anything that should be available in all of my projects. So I just take my template from the timeline and drag it into a Power Bin. Now I can also give it a meaningful name. And now if we start a new project, we can go to Power Bins again. And as you can see, the template is still there and you can now easily drag it into the new timeline of your new project. And of course the caption now still contains the text from your previous project, or in my case the default placeholder text, but you can simply open Caption Cat now, and once you've got the transcription ready in your new project, you can just apply the changes to replace the text with your new text. And that's how easily you can reuse your customized Caption Cat templates in any future projects. I'm sure this tip will save you a ton of time, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next tutorial.